In Hindu iconography, Mukhalinga, literally linga with a face. Mukhalinga is a linga with one or more human faces. The linga is an iconic representation of the god Shiva. Mukhalingas may be of stone or can be made of a metal sheet which covers the normal linga. The Mukhalinga generally has 1, 4 or 5 faces. Mukhalingas having 4 faces are also regarded to have an invisible 5th face at the top of the linga. The 4 and 5 faced Mukhalingas represent the 5 aspects of Shiva, which also relate to the classical elements and the cardinal directions. The omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient God Shiva for facilitating the individual souls to worship Him has manifested Himself into different forms. Among them, the formless form of Shivalinga is classified as Nishkala, and the Shivalingas with the head of Shiva on their face are called as Mukhalinga and are classified as Sakala Nishkala form. The iconography and making of the Mukhalinga is prescribed in the Agamas and the Tantras. These sculptured lingas fall under the classification of man-made lingas, the other category being Swayambhu or naturally occurring lingas. A Manushya Linga has 3 parts. The Brahma Bhaga, the lowest part of the linga, which is a square platform. Vishnu Bhaga, the middle section of the linga with a pedestal or pitha. And Rudra Bhaga, the topmost part of the central shaft with a rounded tip. Mukhalinga should be Sarvasama, all equal, where the 3 parts are equal. On the topmost Rudra Bhaga or Puja Bhaga, 1 face and a maximum of 5 faces may be carved. If the sanctum has only 1 door, then the linga should have only 1 face on the front, the east, facing the door. In case of 2 doors, it should have 2 faces, front and back, facing the doors in the east and the west. In case of 3 doors, the linga should have 3 faces, except in the west. When the shrine has 4 doors, the linga may have 4 or 5 faces. The 4 faces should face the doors in the 4 cardinal directions. In addition, if a 5th face exists, it should be carved on the top and face the front, the east. When Mukhalinga is 4-faced, instead of only faces, the bust of the deities are carved on the 4 sides, each having 2 arms. Mukhalingas as metal sheets. A normal linga may be converted into a Mukhalinga by covering with an armor, a metal, generally gold covering carved in the shape of the head of Shiva. It has displaced the 3rd eye of Shiva on the forehead, the crescent moon over his head and a crown. The covering or sheath is also known as a kosha or linga kosha and can be called of metal alloys, gold or silver or copper. Another form of cover is carved in shape of a linga with a rounded top with 4 faces carved on 4 sides. The 1-face Mukhalinga is called Eka Mukhalinga, linga with a single face. The face is created in high relief. He wears his hair piled on his head like a bun, while longer hair flow over his shoulders. He may also wear earrings and a necklace and have the crescent moon on his head and the 3rd eye on the forehead. The faces of Shiva are carved generally from the ear onwards, emerging from the linga. The 5-face Mukhalinga is called Pancha Mukhalinga. The 5 faces relate Shiva to the classical elements, the directions, the 5 senses and 5 parts of the body. These represent Shiva's 5 aspects: Sadyojada, Vamadeva, Agahora, Tatpurusha and Ishana. A 4-face linga is said also to represent the 5 aspects of Shiva. The 5th aspect is center, the shaft itself, or is assumed to be emerging from the top of the shaft and denotes the formless absolute. Thus, a four-faced Mukhalinga can be also called a Panchamugalinga. These four-faced lingas are the most commonly found Mukhalingas. The 13th century AD Panchamukha Shivalinga is in Kalahasti, Andhra Pradesh. The fifth face would not be shown to highlight the Nishkala character of Shivalinga. The top face is known as Ishana or Sadashiva, who is rarely depicted and governs zenith and the sky. The east face is Sadyojada or Mahadeva, the regent of the earth. The west face is Tatpurusha or Nandi or Nandivaktra, the face of Nandi denoting the wind, Vayu. While Vamadeva or Uma, Parvati, Shiva's consort or Umavaktra, the face of Parvati or Tamareshwara, water, faces north. Aghora or Bhairava looks south, fire, Agni. In some texts, the east face is called Tatpurusha and the western one Sadyojada. The icon of the five aspects represents the entire universe. In Nepal, the four aspects have similar faces. They wear similar crowns and hairstyles and have Shiva's third eye. Mahadeva may have a moustache and has matted hair piled upon his head. Nandi bears on the forehead the sectarian mark, tilaka of the Shaivas and floral earrings. The face of Uma also bears the Shaiva mark and depicts Shiva as Ardhanarishwara, the composite androgynous form of Shiva and Parvati. The right half is the male Shiva with a moustache, while the left half is the female Parvati, the eyes, the lips, the earrings, a serpent and floral earring, as well as the sides of the crown may differ in the halves. Bhairava, the terrible form of Shiva, is generally depicted angry, however may have a gentle expression. He wears serpent earrings or asymmetrical earrings and has curled hair. All of them are depicted with two hands carrying an akshamala in the right and a water pot in the left. The rosary bearing hand is held in Abhaya Mudra, gesture of assurance. The rosary signifies death or time, while the water pot stands for its antithesis, Amrita, the elixir of life. The hands indicates that Shiva will lead his devotees to moksha, emancipation. Eight-faced Shivalinga is located at Madhya Pradesh, along the banks of river Shivana, locally known as Ashtamukhi Pashupatinath, which is claimed to be unique in terms of its sculpture. The eight faces carved on the lingam exhibit eight moods, facial expressions facing the four directions, two each in one direction, placed one above the other. Mukhalingas are found throughout India and Nepal. They also appear in the former Champa kingdom, presently in Vietnam, as well as Cambodia and Borneo in the Southeast Asia and Afghanistan to the west of India. One of earliest specimen of a Mukhalinga is a five-faced one in Bitha, which is dated to 2nd century BCE. Om Namah Shivaya.